On waking up in the morning, there is a period in which we are neither fully asleep nor fully awake. An interim moment. Ordinarily, we begin picking up the old story, the story of you, the narrative of your life. Without questioning this, just immediately getting involved in the usual stream of thoughts. But what if we took 10 minutes to just be in the pure, open, empty space between the sleep state and the waking state, with no story, no mind activity, awake and conscious, but not involved yet in daily activity. So try this now, just breathing, being aware of the breath, being aware of the present, being aware of being itself, being aware of awareness itself. Just be. Notice the mind has its usual habit of trying to open the story back up, with you as the protagonist and all of the side characters and events. But just don't open that book. Just leave it on the shelf for 10 minutes in the morning. Immediately on waking, just being. We may feel this is challenging or even impossible, but just moments ago, when asleep, where was the story? Where was this narrative? Where were these characters? It was only moments ago. They were simply not here. It is only upon engaging our attention and awareness with the content of the mind that this story begins again, that this narrative begins again. And notice that this story and narrative, this engagement with mind activity, is an action. It is something we do. And notice how much power you have to simply refuse to do this activity. Instead, choosing to focus attention only on the now, a sense of being, on awareness itself, a sense of just allowing everything to be as it is. There is no story. there are no characters. There is just this. So being aware of the breath, aware of the sensations of the breath, being strict with attention, continually draw back, draw back, draw back. Just this, just this, just this. Notice the mind continually tries to open that book, but this is just 10 minutes without any of that. 10 minutes without the mind. 10 minutes without the story. 10 minutes of just peace. Just this. Nothing else. No events, no situations, no drama, no people, just what is. Just for that 10 minutes, as though you haven't woken up, still asleep, with everything just being as it is naturally, without any involvement, without analysis, without planning or attempts at control. Just allow, and all is well. If you have longer to spend doing this, by all means do so. This can be done indefinitely. This story only exists in your mind. Nobody else is telling it. You could choose to leave that book on the shelf. Or if it is time to begin re-engaging with the activity of the day, by all means do so. But at moments throughout the day, just notice just how much of this daily life is a story unfolding in the mind. Is it real, or just a narrative? Is this true, or just a character? You can do this at any moment, at any time. It's powerful. This will have powerful effects on your life. Thank you for doing this with me today. Take care, be well, stay present.